What's happening, y'all? Out here on our home farm in southeastern Michigan. It's April 23rd. It's opening morning of turkey season. I haven't seen anything or heard anything, but definitely have our hopes up for the next couple of days. It's still kind of getting cold at night, so the birds haven't been moving as much, but they've been using this field over here, coming to this grown-up pasture, moving out to this cornfield and feeding. We got the decoys 30 yards out into this field right here. Got the old 870 sitting in a brush blind. They've been filtering through here pretty good. Boom, baby. 2018 turkey season. That was awesome. Great footage too. Pretty sure we got the GoPro footage of him coming in. He was about to square off with my decoy. Boom, baby. Before work. I mean, what time is it? Oh shit, we still got birds out here, man. Oh, it's 6:56. Freaking not even an hour out here in the field. We got a nice... Oh, here comes another bird. Even with standing up, they're still sitting here, just not even caring. But I couldn't take it no more. I want to go get my hands on this bird, son. Oh, nice bird. The GoPro is recording. Nice big old bird here in southeastern Michigan. Gotta go winging it. Just winging it, son. Look at that wing. Oh, that's a big bird. That is a big bird, my friends. Look at that. Season number 2,
turkey hunting ever in my life. Got my biggest long beard ever. This mother trucker came right into this Jake about to freaking put a whooping on it, and he didn't know I was sitting in the old brush blind with the 870 just waiting for him. Dude, check out this beard. Where's she at? Oh, that's a rope, baby. That is a rope. Yeah. Freaking awesome, man. Some daggers on him. Look at them. His spurs are freaking nice. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. I'm a die-hard deer hunter, but after doing this for the second time, I'm gonna be a turkey hunter until the day I can't fucking come out here and do it. I swear. I just gotta thank the good Lord, though. Good Lord, our good buddy Dave that's up in heaven right now. He was sitting with me this morning. I thought I heard a gobble a little far off into the woods. I made a couple of calls. All of a sudden, pretty sure it was this guy. I seen a bird strutting through the woods. Freaking made a couple of calls, and a couple of hens came in and was checking out the decoy, and made a couple of more calls, and he was sitting inside the woods there for a little bit. But as soon as he seen that Jake out here, he freaking made a beeline for the decoy. Got in the perfect film. I gotta go back and check that, but I made sure I stayed calm and did what I needed to do and got the kill. We got it done this morning. It's April 25th. It's just after 7 o'clock. Killed him right before 7, but a group of Jakes from State Farm came in and was beating him up. Got it all on video too. I don't know if you can tell, but I am freaking pumped.